care not because JLP with me. Will you care, sir?
Where y'all go, sir? Where y'all go?
Go on.
I'm gonna see my sunny glass here, but I'm blowing you.
No, you can't see.
You can't see nothing.
And on we'll go.
So hey guys, welcome back to look at me down in a hole. Welcome back to the channel. What are your thoughts?
You can't see.
Oh,
you can't. I use this. Sample it. Go.
Oh yes,
Yes,
utilizing.
utilizing.
Skin it out.
Yeah, utilizing.
Skin it out the right way. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. We are trying to operate or fix. We are trying to fix this one different way. But as you guys can see, I'm here with Trina. When last we see you?
Me no know.
No, I see you April. April.
Yes, up now when COVID did just come out.
Yes. So we're tuning in back now. So we're going to do we're not introduce because everybody know Trina. And if you look up on the channel that you can come out the way here.
I lick me now, I lick down the girl and her man. You yes, me bad man, I chew me on nobody.
So we're going to do Never Have I Ever. So if you guys haven't hit that subscribe button, make sure watch it. Make sure you go ahead and hit that. When you see I care for pass if I'm not walking that road. Why y'all walking that road?
And the full security won't even tell them nothing walk your son. Me not get
Watch out. Yeah, come on the boy still a ouch up in that way. But you want bunks them, you know?
Actually more dead.
Never have I ever. Just never have I ever away.
Never have I ever
Never have
got
I
a ticket. Never have I ever.
Never have I ever got a car a ticket.
Me never get ticket coming no off a bribe policeman.
Me never get
Sir,
one.
my grandmother have asthma.
So that's how you're rushing. You fool. Oh god. Alright. Me never get one ticket either. Give me one.
Never have I ever got caught stealing something.
Me not get catch in that moment, but it's like after like then kind of say Tasha did it and me say no, but you kind of get catch because
But you don't get catching at the moment.
Yeah.
Me either. Y'all slick.
Never have I ever got in a fight with boyfriend.
I wish I knew what that felt like, but I can't relate.
Maybe don't you turn?
No, me I go down myself because I one way, so me just go down myself and go up.
All the time. Me terrible. All the time. All the time. All the time. Any relation. All the time. Fight all over the place.
I'm not cool now. Like my beard.
Wait, give one.
Never have I ever missed a flight.
I missed one flight already. You never ever missed one? I have missed one.
Never missed
Because
a
of my
flight.
belly. Miss up a Burger King.
Oh, you remember that
Big one
story?
video part
Yeah,
that if
remember
you
that
guys
story
go
there.
check out that I missed my flight story time.
Me never missed my flight yet.
When my father me send me hungry, my father came to go Burger King and like reach at airport. You know they say must be at least one or you must have one in here.
Me never miss a flight. Me just have too much things and smuggling things. American Airlines, if you're watching this, it's not me, okay?
Me have one time I have too much things and then charge me $75 like extra.
Them, me never get charged for that yet. Them put heavy on my bag and me pop it off. Me not pay overweight.
Yeah,
and I'm always up. Me say miss me have something else to put the bag and pop that shit off. Me not pay no overweight, no. And I'm always overweight.
Never have I ever asked for a blowjob.
No. No.
The seats are illegal. You couldn't tell me to put on like a seatbelt. Me an illegal driver and I'm not driving
Boy, that's
seatbelt.
what you're coward doing. Go on, brother. You know your viewers are gonna think me have road rage and I'm a very nice driver.
Live. Live. I have.
You ask speed.
Yeah. You've never asked for it?
Me not have nobody for ask, girl.
Yeah, but like you never in a relationship before. You always single. 2020 means saving at 2020.
That's why.
Where you go, sir? Where you go?
Go on.
I'm gonna see my Santa Claus here. I'm gonna blind you.
No, you can't see.
You can't see no. I look push party mic on top.
I don't like Jamaican drivers and I don't like taximen and I don't like busmen. Anything with red plate, I don't like them. Never have I ever zeroed my card, whether it be credit card, debit card.
All the time.
Right now, I'm supposed to do a zero.
All the time. All the time.
One eternity later.
Got people all the time. All the time.
Yeah, Jamaica hard here.
Hard bad. Hard bad.
It's impossible.
But it always happen that when it's zero, it just money always something that come. Money always just push back in.
You know, say me I go rich. Me know say me I go rich. The way how me spend money, me know say me destined for rich. Me not ask Christ. Me not ask.
That's the vibe for 2020.
Yes, girl, money. Never have I ever thought about robbing a bank.
All the time.
Me planning, girl.
All the time. I would be much money. I see much money. All the time. All the time, Trina. All the time. In and out of the show, me a plan say, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and
I think I'm afraid of prison.
but I'll be back in if me have the opportunity.
I'm afraid of prison. Because I'm going to want.
Never have I ever never have I ever got in a fight all the time.
What do you mean? Like physical fist fight?
Yeah.
To be honest, me never fight. Me lick you and run. I can't take no roller
How
gun
to get
business.
somebody where you stab up with a pen?
You never feel you too. No, but we never fight. Me stab him and me left. Me stab him and me go about my business. Me not stand up for you floor. Me is a big fat boy, you know? I hope him now watch this. That was in high school. I was so angry.
And the woman that win, Marsha Smith.
Yes, she won.
Who she won?
Me my name. I don't know her name. He knew. But Marsha did have to win because what's her name? Shiny did done set the thing there for her.
Shiny Robinson.
Yeah,
And the woman that did
she did that, yeah,
Oh.
and she put Marsha in on the RSPS.
Oh.
So she would have to win because a JLP place really. But why? Your MP up so me I wonder if him did not go win her.
Grandstand or is that Grandstand?
Yes.
I want Grandstand. When am I go with this self? You know, Dream put up somebody said I was in the part Dream say, Lord God, Lisa lose. The money are taking seed and then him somebody say you're fat like.
But remember we used to call I can't tell him what we used to call him.
I don't remember. You know, load fashion up as a load fashion I go.
So me here. Them
Yeah.
better come with good. Right now mama clear ears, I don't know what to get
But I'm
it.
big up. And when this applies here, make
Overnight it make.
Overnight
Me just
this
come
make-
out watch you
no.
one day and see it. Me never see when it
no, for
happen.
sure, no, so overnight this make because while you're pass and it's an upgrade.
Exactly.
And now it
just-
officially together.
Big money popping.
Anywhere me go.
But I know me not see it.
Your time, never have I ever.
Never have I ever. What? Never have I ever run from a police to escape a ticket. Like a driver left him. Let me kill you, yeah?
We never do it over here.
More parking over there now.
What is up? What I make young go on? What I make young go on, Trina? Why
I'm
not?
not afraid for
I
dead.
don't want to young.
So they expect me for one in another little baby spot there?
See one.
Take that one, yeah. Right side of Bima.
Hey.
Alright. So.
Never run from police. Go you suit.
I come
Oh,
on.
stop them kitchen say nice black over here.
You know something I like idiot?
Black man. Yeah, tell me you want to come out.
What we do? Sir, hello? This rocket man come kiss after me like he
I
used
give
to
you
know.
Oh,
Sure.
right. Where me there? In a van.
He come out a while ago and gone down this after. I'm telling him
You
about
went there a while ago.
friggin' idiot.
Right. Like you hear nobody want nobody.
I was on camera? That's not me.
That is Trina.
That's not me.
That is Trina. The one that said that's not me, that's not Trina.
Sure.
Never have I ever cuss up
Me
man
I
tell
can
him
do
to
this
come out
now.
here.
Me just do it because man not no sense, man.
You want straighten up because you
You know that me lean.
your park clean. Put it come out and then you take your 5
You know like idiot in a man.
Take your 5 completely before you turn the lock to go. Where are you?
Oh, that the idiot that person make my side good. I mean, I want to touch it. Be man, come on. But this come out and tell me.
Watch it, man. Yeah, you can.
Me good, man.
Something up in?
Me have a reverse camera.
Oh.
Girl never buy her license.
Oh. You?
No, I never buy my license. Girl
One time-
drive for your license.
I never drive it.
Father never, me tell my father say no, and my father say nope.
Watch it.
You have to drive for it.
So what do you me not grown drive a Burger King Plaza around this too. The whole parking thing was just complicated. Because Burger King Plaza, you see,
Yeah,
it's
the
like
economy for true.
if Trina, me sit down and me panda,
Economy
oh, me go
for
come
true.
out.
In the so cranny.
Which lane am I going? I want to buy it? Which lane go?
Want go here? Me say me have to. You me blind as sir, like how me cute.
You're not asking for the blind. You have to
Me a
pip.
take. Thanks, baby.
Why? So never have I ever
Lied about loving someone. I have.
like tell somebody
You love them but you don't love them. Or you like them but then when you love them, you don't say me love
like
them.
them I rush it and I say
Yeah,
I love them. Yeah.
Love you, baby.
Never have I ever look one man.
I have. I have.
Me look him, but I'm not sure if me get him. Me not remember.
No, but him like them, they look nice.
Me look them,
Yeah,
a long time though, a long time.
Like years ago that.
Before
That boy
they
they
come
could
to the picture, come on. But then we watch a video before they come to the picture.
that boy they probably reached about 60 and to how long that was.
They lie, I'm your old. Oh my
That
god.
was years ago. You know in the high school you think say, you know?
Yeah. Never have I ever cuss a woman to a man.
No, I have not. Because if I have to curse a man, let me tell you something. If you not have to go curse one girl for a man, then that man don't deserve your baby girl. Just pack up your things. Cross baby.
Enough girl me cuss to my man and me and my man.
No, the thing is, you have levels, you know.
This a girl I walk out now next shop.
Like she can grease her tail. She
She just got you this other side chef show.
Well, if she don't walk properly on the road, can go and lick the hairstyle off her.
Why?
As me I say. It depends. You have levels, you know, because me not supposed to go to no girl. Care not because JLP with me will lick you, sir. Try go. We can't do this statement. Sure. As I was already said it, right? There are levels to it. But me personally, if me forgot my girl and say my girl, me come to you as a woman, you can't just take the man there because me really not have the time and me really not have the headspace for it. So no, I've never.
You've never. At the time, probably no, me not cause girl, but me just
Me not have a strength. Me can't cuss by the way. Me short tempered, so I just want to fight you. The long cussing, yeah girl, no. Oh, which part you at? Yeah, which part you at?
No, you not go to Ruby's.
Oh, you want to go right out of gas station?
Where you want to go?
Me I go back pan out there, so.
Yes, I want me for you go.
No. Me think it after you give me blame and pass me out back. I thought we were friends.
The man saying you the pan on mission. Can you hook up me and taxi man? Watch. Yeah. Sure.
Never have I ever run a red light. Because that's how me do every day, so.
Me never run the
Every single day, girl, me color blind, so me see red, me think of green.
Why? Keep over the lane and like keep over the lane. Like a Ruby's up on the side there.
Oh,
Kind
yeah.
of jump over.
You know, so me remember say me like yeah, good, that's straight on me yard, me you know. Me remember about rubies, you know, you see it not even 2 minutes ago you tell me. Me I get all.
Never have I ever. What did they? Got drunk at a party?
I've never been drunk overall.
You lie?
I've never been drunk.
Remember when you drunk out and you can't put on the bed and tell us to take
I
the clothes
was
off outside
not,
like, take the clothes off outside bed because Duffy will sleep on the bed.
No, yeah, mix up this two story then. That night, yeah, mix it up. I never saw it go.
How it go?
I've never been drunk. Never ever been drunk. Girl, me I drink white rum from me at 9. How me fi drunk?
So, you don't know what happened then. You know what happened?
Of course, me know what happened. Remember my roommate the night. Remember, remember.
I don't let them beat the bed with Nash.
Yes. So let me tell you, say yeah, mix up the story them. Yeah,
No, I don't let them beat the
and
bed
he
with
said
Nash.
to me, listen, man.
Nash never there,
The
you alone
roommate
in
they
there.
gone the weekend,
Mhm.
right? Then, so him follow me go down the room because it did late, right? Him follow me go down the room. Then he said to me, say, throw the clothes them for the next side of the bed, or else Duppy will sleep with me. Remember, so me never drunk. I've never been drunk. I've never been drunk. I've never been high. My life is not that festive.
Never have I ever smoked weed.
No, I've never smoked before.
That's true. No matter how many party I smoke. I'm just trying to take a sleep now.
I don't
Not take
smoke.
a, no.
I don't think it's cute for females. I don't even like men that smoke much less.
It's not cute, but sometimes you don't want party and you want to feel. It's like if me no, sometimes I'm in a bun of weed, me no dip on sky high.
I don't smoke. I don't like to, not even feel like walk past somebody and them smell like cigarette. Me not like it. Me just.
You see with me, when me go party, I have a vibe. I have a vibe when me go party, I don't want nobody brush by me. Me just want, you know, my pretty clothes. And me have a next vibe when me just go party for broke out.
Okay.
Me drunk, that's me drunk, but we not talk about that. My mind gone so far.
You're drunk.
Bro, me drunk right now. Hungry drunk
You're
me.
drunk. So this is money on our stream. No.
You might probably be carrying to the camera.
No, baby.
No,
No.
nothing.
No, sir. No, it looks like.
Watch it.
Alright, jump, Kuno.
No, sir. One more thing. Never have I ever tell my mother a lie. All the time.
Something alright. Something alright.
All the time. Straight through. Right through.
Look here, my mother is Jamaican, you see? She's very miserable, so how can I not lie?
That's true. Sometimes I tell lie when you know.
Sister
Necessary.
is sweeter with Lisa.
Love me, Lisa, you know.
She left on bus back. Alright, magazine girl.
She pretty girl, you know.
That's why she went
Pretty
with
girl.
her.
Me see people go over dream or comment or talk about when Lisa, when they think Lisa lose, they say about if they think prettiness can run country. Love the woman.
You know, so we can't focus. You know how much time we stray? Since the video started, you know how much time we stray?
Watch out.
I'm a boss, big up myself.
Come again. I be a dark class people me see about the place all day. Anyways, I think we probably got in the video.
Yeah.
Because she's not gonna let me off. I'll go home.
I eat our steamed shrimp.
Steam
A
shrimp.
steam?
Fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp. Curry shrimp. Still shrimp.
No curry not in there.
Me don't know. Me know see a shrimp. All shrimp no swim in the water. Still shrimp.
Could be a cimarron as well.
Swim around, what is swim around? Shrimp. Well, so, the shrimp what in that? Different from the one that they send in a bag of primary school? Or the same shrimp? No, me just wonder because you know.
Shrimp that shrimp. If one is in a permit, them a shrimp as strip off.
So the one where they sell at primary school have on clothes.
Holy
Take
shell, you sitting with the punny.
I don't know, me not eat shrimp. Me just wonder if I the same thing
How
or
if you
different
know?
thing. You know, so I should ask the Chinese man. So, sir, may you tell me truth? Where did you shrimp?
He take off his clothes and rape him. What's that?
Watch out.
Come back, you care about them. Some people don't. I can't believe rush driver.
That's why I hate
And I can't believe slow driver.
Me hate driver Kingston. Me hate driver Kingston. So
Yeah, me like rush.
girl,
Too much rush.
me can't do it. But you know, so say the case you drive through like this, it look like we in a tash.
Yes, girl, that's true.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah, laugh
but-
after people.
That's
You
true.
know,
And people them. Well on.
no, man, I have to take time squeeze over just in case.
But well,
Nah,
make
come
sure
out, right.
because probably some person are going. I line if we're gonna KC too long.
And there is KFC and the people
Hey,
still.
Zinger
Look here,
750.
I'm going to go ask for discount.
Oh.
And we can't afford it.
Hey, Zinger I $700 $50. Me not buy. Why do I go in there? Me tell Odi, me say, babe, thing I read $700. He said, don't buy. Me not buy no more KFC.
You know, so if you protest though.
Me think so true.
Because broke pocket matter, just like Black
Lives
Lives.
Matter. And me a broke pocket somebody. So we need to protest because we soon can't afford nothing like this.
But why them are raising in a COVID time?
Because them say chicken are raised. They say chicken raised.
Chicken wings?
Yeah. Because chicken scarce. They say.
You need
Chicken
banana
scarce.
chicken?
My neighbor? You have neighbor raised chicken?
I don't know. Me just say, we can get some chicken from people. If you don't know anywhere, I give a free chicken. Just comment down below. I'll be in the comments, okay? Because I need chicken that's free.
No, KFC overall then thief. And I like say a real chicken they have.
Free chicken?
My machine make chicken KFC.
Women there live. Because clearly a lot of things are going on in the world and me don't know about.
Like the man green. I wonder if them are move.
Me don't, let me tell you so them people, I must choose JP when they not see green.
That's true. Too much green.
They don't want to make this a woman there.
Like she was stuck in. Too much bag of fun, babe. You look dressed this summer weather in one.
I'm stressed right now.
Good people, like geez, I'm not gonna wait long for taxi. Anyways, you know, so you can just catch yourself right as a
You sure?
Are you wrong? Yeah. Yeah. Catch yourself right as a. I'm gonna jump out there and go.
Right now, I'm sharing our trip go up. Up at top.
People say when the video got end me, I come out now.
Bye.
Hey, taxi man, may I touch my friend's car now? Alright, babes.
Yeah, later.
Me let you know when I'm home.
Come your charger.
Pack up my things them. Pack up time. Peace out. Bye
May I take your
everybody.
phone?
Eh?
Anything left in here for me?
Bye.